in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, firstly, download the application from Play Store or App Store. Then after that, just simply open the application. The first thing that you will see on the screen is the blue dot, which is your current location. Now, to get to a location, what you can do is just simply type the location that you want to go in the where to option, which is the search panel over here. Click on it and type the location where you want to go, like this, and click on the location which is available. Now to see the routes, just simply click on view routes, or if you want to go later, just simply click on later. So first we are going to click on view routes. So click on that, then wait a second. That will show you the best route that is available for you. Now if you're okay with that, just simply click on go now. But if you want to change the route, you can click on the other purple line shown to you on the screen and the route will be changed. And if you want to go from this particular route, you can choose this route. So I'm going to choose the first one. So after choosing a route, just simply click on go now. Now it will start showing you the map. Now if you want to change the overview of it, click on the top down box at the bottom right corner and click on overview to see an overview map. Then again, to recenter it, click on the recenter icon. Now if you want to see different routes, click on that box again, click on routes over here, and it will show you multiple routes. So if I click on a different route, which is the 7-minute one over here, the route will change, as you can see right over here. So as you can see, the route is now changed. Now there is more options, so click on that box again. If you want to share your drive location, click on this option, which is share option, and share your location with any platform of your choice. Now if you want to add some stops between your location from your current destination to the destination you are going, if you want to add stops in the between, just simply click on add stops over here and add some stops, just like that. Click on add a stop and it will be added in the map. Now to see the stop, you can just simply click on overview, and over there you can see the second stop that you have just made. Now if you want to cancel your trip, click on that box again, click on stop, and it will stop. Let's again go to a location. Now let's just say anything happened on that particular place or while you are on the road. Click on this yellow box over here, click on it, and you can add details like traffic, police, crash, hazard, or many more things. Now again, while you are on the way, click on that drop down box at the bottom right, and if you want to see the gas prices, click on the gas icon over here. Now over here it will show you all the gas stations and the prices of the gas stations on your route, as you can see right over here. It will be same for the restaurants. Click on the fork and knife and you will have all the restaurants on your location on the route. Again, if you want to see parkings, click on that box again and click on P icon over here, and you will be able to see the parkings on your route. Now while you are on your way, if you want to listen some music, click on the music icon at the top right and connect your preferred music application. Now for example, let's say Spotify, so click on it, then click on accept, then just simply play the song that you want. You can also choose from your playlist if you want that. That's how you can do it. Now after that, close the ride. Now just simply scroll this panel up, and over here you will find more options. Over here you can add your home, work, your driving calendars, or your friends' locations. So for doing that, scroll this down, click on the three lines at the top left corner, and over here you will have few sets. So the first setting is plan a drive. Click on it. So over here you can schedule a ride. So for doing that, you can click on the plus icon at the bottom right, choose a location, and choose the time when you want to get to that particular location. And on the right hand side you will find the ideal traffic. So as you can see, the app is saying to leave by 9:59 because there is no traffic. Now what this setting will do is it will give you an optimal time to leave your house to get to your location while analyzing the traffic. So it is what it will do. So after you have made your settings, click on save at the top right. Again click on the three lines at the top left. Now the next thing that you can do is just simply go to your settings, and over here you can do a lot of changes. Like in general, you can change the distance unit over here from kilometers to miles. You can also make a lot of changes, as you can see over here. You can also change the vehicle details over here. You can also change the speedometer if you want to see it. You can keep this enabled. If you don't want to see it, just disable it. You can also change the audio player if you want to. You have multiple options over here. Now and then after that, you can click on voice and sound to change the person that is speaking, or you can just simply completely turn it off by clicking on off. So that's pretty much it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.